So Spice baby father replied to her, right? So he make a post, and this what up on the screen right now, it look like he might try to contact them on WhatsApp and him can't get through because in the caption he must say Spice block him on every medium. So we are going to get into the full story. Me go tell you know what him say coming right up.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
So yesterday I make the video about what Spice say. If you don't see that video there, you might not go pick up on everything right away, but you can follow said way, right? However, I'm going to put that video there on the end of this one. I try my best for make it make sense, you know what I mean? Cut out the irrelevant part them, like part where me I say he no post yet, cause him never post yet when me I make the video. So that's why me I make that one you know if you make you hear what him say since him post now, right? So welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. Like me telling the people, you know, it's almost like, you know, every year now, we can expect at some point Spice and her baby father go get into it. And you know, this year again, yeah, at the time of year right now. So Spice go pay her daughter school fee and she went book shopping and she post it and she a call out this man Nicholas, our baby father, you know, and I say if him nah help or him nah pay something or him nah do something. So him reply and this is what he said, right? Him say, when will this stop? Walk and drag my name down, bitch. You block me on all medium. How the F I'm supposed to do shit when you block me? You like the attention that you get from your effing dumb ass followers. When you call my name, whenever you not getting the attention you need on social media, you call my effing name to stay relevant. Leave my effing name out of your mouth, which you don't think you done enough damage to me already? You stole 10 years of my life, bitch. Let me live now. Why am I so effing important? Germs, send me your Zelle info. Furthermore, I ask you if the kids are going to be here in America or Jamaica for school so I could send your money before you block me. Dog shit. I know you're trying to stay relevant, but this is not the way. Find songs, stop spread rumors. I wish I could un-F you. If you continue to call my name, you'll hear from my lawyer. Boy, people, I'm not even gonna lie to you. You hard to read this and not feel no way. You see me? But however, you know, none of my business that I can't get involved and give no personal opinion on it. You see me? You have to do that in the comment section. I just bring across the news just like how it is. He wrote this and he post this and me screenshot it and me just read it back to you know. However, though, what I can say is that for me, I don't think, you know, some of the things I want him say, like, maybe him sit down back and then he meds and I say, maybe me should say some part of it, like, you know what I mean, because he have two wonderful kids with her, so the part where he must say, you know, him could have un-FR, the kids would be here. I mean, just say that, that's just my little opinion, you know what I mean. So that little part that me can say things, but the rest of how he must say, you know what I mean, the names them when I call her and thing, that's on him, that's, you know, him frustrated it look like, and she frustrated, so the two of them are diss each other. We know how it go, you know, you get bad people. If you don't know this, it get bad and him say, you know, when she not go on for her, she call him name. No, I'm not saying that is true or not. I don't know, but I know that every once in a while, you know, there's a problem with Spice and her baby father. And it seems like at the same song I play over and over, you know what I mean? The same song he sing, it's always about him not contributing and him, you know, I show off the kids but him not contribute to them. No, that's not my words or my view, that's what Spice is saying, right? So when you get in the comment section and you tell me what you think about what I'm saying. Now for the next part of the video, this is Spice part. So this is the part that I did yesterday. So just remember that Spice said this before him say all of that, right? So for him part of the second part and Spice, you know, this is why he's reacting the way that he reacted because Spice said all of this. So me I go play that part there of the video. So here goes. So it looked like Spice and her baby father at it again. So she posted this receipt of her daughter's school fee and she captioned it and said, I don't hear from the father, but you soon see him on IG a chat shit. Nicholas, how me not hear you now? tie a soon 10 and you not try paying even 10% of one of these. So we are going to get into the full story because she posts some more things. So yes, like me I telling you, no say Spice and her baby father have them times when, you know what I mean, them take it publicly to the media, and this time around it look like Spice go bookstore and buy some book and pay a school fee and thing, and you know what I mean, she posts, right? So, well, like me tell you, the receipt what she posts, we are going to just reach your receipt real quick. You see what me I say? It date for today, and it's from Grace Hamilton, and $155,000, and it's paid to Immaculate Conception Preparatory School, right? So we see Spice pay $155,000, and she said what she said, right? But it didn't stop there, so people, you know, she have some other things what she say. So me I go show you that coming right up. So here we go and do, people. Spice just a right for right now still. When you know, so she probably soon start talk. But for right now, she just a type something. So she say, since as you say me are the worst mother and me a witch, make me get the broom. Right? That was the first thing she post. And then she move on now and start put the words them over video of she shopping for the book them. Right? So we're going to get into them there also. So upon this one, she said, Nicholas Lal, school book a buy. Where you there? Right? And you can see she account out the money for give the cashier. Right? We don't know how Spice stay the Spice and he's in a Spice savage. Right? So upon the next video now, she say, Nicholas Lal, you not try buy even one exercise book, youth, not even 1 year. And now the video now we definitely can see Spice appear for the book them, right? And she put up another one and she say, are you wait until school bills over for compound IG, post my pitney them and chat off your stinking mouth. That's what Spice words, that's not my words, right? So people, to me, it looked like some private conversation go on because, you know, the first post of Spice say, since you talk about me the worst mother and me a witch, make me get the broom. So me did have to go check out Nicholas' page when I know exactly where Spice hear that from or when him tell Spice that or however it go, you know what I mean? But me, I just say, I feel like, you know what I mean, him said privately, and you know Spice do for your thing already. You know say Spice no go round, come round. So Spice post, and people can expect more, you know what I mean? Maybe, maybe not, but knowing Spice, you know, probably alive or going or something. I'm just saying, right? We're going to leave it there, so people. This is the end of this video. You see me, so want to big up on yourself. You know, if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. For all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here, liking, sharing, and commenting. Big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day and night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Big up on yourself. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yadi.